What's up, Michael Jordan collectors and investors? So I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. On this episode, I cover the 1986 Fleer Michael Jordan rookie card stickers. So we got a couple of PSA 10s at Golden Auctions right now, and they're up really big. And they're still that ends tonight at like 10 p.m. But we'll take a look at what they're at right now. So Card Gems here, welcome to my channel. This is today's March 5th Michael Jordan Market Report. All right, let's dig into this. So if we check Golden Auctions, we have this PSA 10 with the entire PSA 10 set. It's a very nice set right here. So this right now is up to this is up to 350,000, and these end tonight at like 10 p.m. So we also have this PSA 10 here. It's a very nice PSA 10. There's the back. So this one is going for 150,000 right now. So just to double check, let's see. Double check that it ends tonight. Yep, ends tonight. All right, so if we check cardladder.com here, this is a very, very valuable resource for, sales data and analysis, all kinds of nice graphs. Should check this website out. This is very helpful, and if you want to check it out, I have a special link below you can click on if you're interested. But the PSA 10 has a pop of 119. So for the past 3 months, it only sold 5 times, and it last sold for 192,000 on the 20th, and the average selling price is 159,000, and the record high is 229,000. So if we check eBay, we have one here for 250,000 or best offer. Here's one for 385,000 or best offer. Here's 500,000 best offer and 1 million best offer. And this comes with the PSA 10 base rookie card too. So if we look at the BGS 9.5, this has a pop of 32. So for the past 3 months, it only sold 3 times, and it last sold for 69,999 on the 30th of January, and the average selling price is 37,125. So we have one on eBay here for 148,000. Buy it now. So this is the only one that I know of that's publicly listed for auction. So let's check the next card here, PSA 9. So PSA 9 has a pop of 1,884. So there's been 81 sales in 3 months. So let's look at 1 month. We got 40 sales in the 1 month. So that's average at 23,426 for 1 month. The last one being sold for 25,250 on the 5th, which was kind of a tick back up here from the lows. And the record high is 31,133, which was back here on the 11th of February. So if we cut it down to 2 weeks, it's been averaging 19,205 for 14 sales, and the record high was 25,250, which was the last sell. So if we check for the PSA 9s on eBay, we have one here for 4,238, 16 bids. Here's one for 6,000 or best offer. This has an off-cylinder qualifier. Here's one for 8,085, 2 bids. Here's 9,100, 18 bids. Here's 9,995. This is a new listing. It has no bids. Here's 12,350 bids. Here's 15,000 or best offer. This has a ST qualifier, means it has a stain. Here's 16,023, no bids. So now we're getting above the auction prices. Now we're getting to the best offer buy it nows, which here's one for 22,000. Here's 23,000 best offer, 25,000 best offer, and you got plenty more options there. So let's look at the BGS 9. BGS 9 has a pop of 223. For 2 weeks, there's only been 2 sales, so let's go back to 1 month. 1 month, there's only 3 sales. Well, let's see what it's done for the 3 months. Just 5 sales for Papa 223. That's not very much. So for 3 months, it's averaged 8,876, and it last sold for 8,200 on the 26th of February, and the record high is 13,259 on the 18th of February. So if we check eBay, we got one here for 19,995 or best offer. Here's 25,000 or best offer new listing. So all we have is best offer buy it nows. We don't have any auctions currently. There's one with the auto on it. So a 9 with a 9 auto. So that's pretty cool. So let's move on down to the PSA 8.5. So 10 sales in the last 3 months. So its average is 7,668 for the 3 months. And it last sold for 4,340 on the 28th of February. And the high was 15,000. So if we cut this down to 1 month, the average has been 8,571. So it's actually better. But that last sell was a real drop off. So if we look on eBay, we have one here for 14,499 or best offer. So these are all buy it nows and best offer prices. Here's another one for the same price. Here's 15,000 best offer. So plenty of options here. But none nowhere near that last sell or the average, unfortunately. So let's check PSA 8. PSA 8 has Papa 3,491. So this is the most common grade. Sold 33 times in the last month. So then it's averaged 6,336. So this is good data right here. 33 sales. So it last sold for 4,450 on the 4th of March, and the high was 9,600. So cut it down to 2 weeks. Let's see, the average is way down, 4,676. So you want to, if you're looking for one of these cards, you want to find one between this current price and this average sale. So about 4,500 is what we're looking for a PSA 8. So let's check eBay and see if we have some in that price range. Here's 810, 9 bids, a new listing. Here's another 810, 14 bids. Here's 1,025, 7 bids. Here's 1,100, 8 bids. 1,626, 14 bids. 2,500, 16 bids. 3,000, 18 bids. Here's 3,050, 24 bids. Here's 3,800, no bids. There's 4,000 no bids. So these are well within the average. Here's 4,250 buy now. So this is right in that average too. So if you like this eye appeal, this is a smart buy, I would say. Here's a 4,995 or best offer, but this has officer under qualifier. So, and here's some more buy it nows and some best offer prices around 5,000 or so. So you could just, there's a new listing. You could just find the one with the absolute best centering, best eye appeal, and make one of those offers around that average price. So let's see what else we got on Card Ladder. So we got the PSA 7. Got this in the database. So 1,322 population. For 2 weeks, it sold 16 times, so that's a good size. Average 2,920, and last sold for 3,100, so a little bit up from the average. Let's see what the record was during the spike. So 5,150 when it spiked up on the 7th of February. Going back to the 2 weeks, we're around 3,000. So you want to find one around the 3,000 mark if you're trying to buy this card. So let's check eBay, see what they got. Here's 767, 12 bids. Here's 839, 10 bids. 999, no bids. Here's 1,327, 11 bids. 1,548, 35 bids. 3,000, buy it now. So yeah, that would be a good price right there. There's nothing wrong with it. Here's 2,999. So this is well within the average right here. 3,200 or best off. So he's taking offers even. So it's good prices here. We got plenty of options. Here's 3,300 PWCC best offer. And then we're getting a little bit higher. So, all right. So let's see. We got the 6. That's the last. Oh, we got 6 and a 5. So PSA 6 has a pop of 868. For the last 2 weeks, it's sold 10 times, so that's a pretty good size. 2,404 was the average, and it lasts over 2,600. So a little bit of a tick up. And the record high was 2,796 for the 2 weeks. Let's see what the record was for the 3 months during the spike. It was all the way up to 3,505 on the 13th of February. So not that long ago. So we're looking for a car at about $2,500 price range for the 6. So let's see what we can find on eBay. Here's 255 on 9 bids. Here's 516 bids. Here's 790 best offer, but this one has a this is a reprint of the base card. I was just looking right at the numbers here. Didn't realize that. Sneaky. So here's a PSA 6. It's up to 1,025, 6 bids. Here's one for 1,926, 23 bids. Here's 2,000, no bids. And here's 2,199, 0 bids. So here's one with the ST qualifier. 2,399 or best offer. So it has a stain. PSA 6 here, new listing, 2,495. This is still within the average. And they're accepting offers. So, and you got plenty more up here, plenty more options for higher. So let's see. What's the last one in the card ladder database? We have the PSA 5 here. So this has a pop of 833. Hasn't sold much in 2 weeks. Only 4 sales. So let's go 1 month. Here we go. 23 sales in a month. And it averaged 2,430. And it lasts for 2,025 on the 5th of March. So that just happened. So that's about what we're looking for, between 2,000 and 2,400. So in that price range, the record high was 2,899 in the month. Let's see what it spiked up to. So it looks like the spike was 2,899 on the 12th of February. All right, so one around 2,000 to 2,400, right? So let's see. Let's check eBay. We have one for 709 bids. Here's 9,700, 34 bids. 999, no bids. 1,900, no bids. Here's basically 2,000. Buy it now, so not bad, you know. It's within that average. Here's 2,160, a new listing, 0 bids. And here's 2,200, our best offer, new listing. And then we got plenty more options around the same price range. So that card is not hard to find right now for a good price, right at the averages. So let's look at the recently ended. So we have this BGS 5 here, ended for 1,557 bids. Here's an 8 with the stain qualifier, 2,850, 20 bids. Here's a BGS 8.5 for 4,706, 16 bids. Here is a PSA 7, sold for 2,999. Buy it now. Here's a PSA 9, sold for 18,995. So that was an excellent buy right there for that buyer. So 3,799. Buy it now for this 7. Here's PSA 7 with the off-center qualifier, 2,506 bids. Here's a PSA 9, so for 14,628 bids. It's another great price right there. So 1,775 for this PSA 6, 6 bids. There's a sticker and the rookie card. Got it together for 22,000, 1 bid. So they're both BGS 8s. All right, so BGS 6.5, 1,623, 12 bids. Here's a PSA 8 for 3,816, 24 bids. There's a BGS 7.5 for 2,400, 31 bids. PSA 8 with the stain, 2,770. Buy it now. Here's a BGS 9, 12,899 listing. So let's see what that went for. Right here, $10,000 that went for. So, all right, so here's a BCCG 9 for 1,975, 6 bids. Sometimes you can find hidden gems right here in these BCCGs. So 2,750 listing for a BGS 8, and let's see, it sold for 2,600 on that card. Here's another BGS 8, 2,750 listing price, and this one went for 2,400. So here's a PSA 7 for 3,599. Buy it now. Here's a BGS 6 for 2025, 15 bids. There's a BGS 7.5 for 2,451, 21 bids. Here's a SGC 8 for 2,950, 24 bids. Here's a PSA 7 for 2,326, 21 bids. Here's a PSA 8 with the off-centered qualifier, 2025, 2 bids. Here's another one with the off-center qualifier, 2,125, 26 bids on this one. Here's a PSA 6 listed for 2,495. Let's see what it went for. 2,200 for that one. So here's its counterpart, the BGS 6. And this one's listed for 2,200. So let's see what that one went for. 2,050. So PSAs are selling for a premium over these BGSs, even in the lower grades of the stickers. So PSA 5 sold for 2,025, 14 bids. Here's a BGS 8 for 3,033, 13 bids on that one. And lastly, we have a SGC 2.5 with the SGC 2.5 base rookie card. Seems like a great deal right here. 5,000, basically 4,999 and 23 cents. Wow. For a low grade, some of these low grades and even like an authentic altar and a PSA 1 are like can sell up to 5,000. So to get both of these together, that was an incredible deal for that buyer. Lucky him. All right, so that's my update for the 1986 Fleer Michael Jordan rookie card stickers. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, give it a like down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and be sure and click that link below and check out cardladder.com. They have a nice app for your phone as well. It's a great resource. I'm telling you guys, check that out. And I will see you in the next Michael Jordan Market Report.